Are you looking for the best baby walkers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best baby walkers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VTech Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker. The VTech Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker is the best baby walker for its value. It's interactive and fun for babies. They'll be moving all around the house in no time. Your baby is sure to love this early learning play toy. Removable play panel. The play panel is removable so your baby can play with it during tummy time or while sitting. Learning Center. The Learning Center on this sit-to-stand walker features 5 piano keys that not only play music but also encourage creativity for hours of fun. The pretend handset and mechanical elements promote role-play excitement. Developmental fun. Your baby will have fun playing with the 2 colorful spinning rollers, 3 shape sorters, and 3 light-up buttons that help to develop motor skills. Sound effects. There are over 70 sing-along songs, music, sound effects, and fun phrases that your little one is sure to love. Use on carpet or hardwood floors. The wheels of this learning walker work well on both carpeted and hardwood floors. Batteries. This toy requires AA batteries. Thankfully, these are included with the product so you won't have to worry about running to the local convenience store to buy them right away. Number 2. Jeep Classic Wrangler 3-in-1 Grow With Me Walker. The Jeep Classic Wrangler 3-in-1 Grow With Me Walker is the best baby walker if you're looking for the best of the best and money isn't an issue. This is also the best baby walker for die-hard Jeep fans since it looks like an actual Jeep Classic Wrangler. Height adjustments. This baby walker has adjustable height settings that you can change as your baby grows. Convertible design. The 3-in-1 design lets this walker convert from a baby walker into a push walker, and then finally a rolling toy car with storage. Looks like a Jeep Wrangler. Just like the Jeep Wrangler, this has the iconic 7-slot grille, round headlights, and flat fender flares. Your baby will be cruising in style with this baby walker. Interactive features. The toy tray features a steering wheel that turns right and left with realistic horn and engine sounds, and the turn signals light up. The tray is also removable for a convenient snack tray. Requires batteries. Just like the VTech Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker, this requires batteries. However, they aren't included with one, so you'll want to make sure to grab some before you get this out of the box. Easy to clean. These baby walkers are easy to clean. Simply wipe down the seat pad and activity center with a damp cloth and let dry. Number 3. Radio Flyer Classic Walker Wagon. The Radio Flyer Classic Walker Wagon has the classic design we all know and love that is associated with the name. With its natural all-wood body and removable side panels, this is perfect for babies learning to walk. Resistance clickers. The resistance clickers are great safety features on the Radio Flyer Classic Walker Wagon, prevents it from moving too quickly. This will help your baby to build balance and confidence while they're learning to walk. Furniture bumper. Your baby is bound to run into furniture and walls at some point in time. The round bumper on this baby walker will help to prevent scratches to your tables and furniture as well as dreaded wall damage while your little one learns to walk. Toy storage. Your babies can tote around their favorite toys or stuffed animals in the toy storage area for even more exciting fun. Number 4. Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Smart Stages Learn with Sis Walker. Just because the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Smart Stages Learn with Sis Walker is listed as the best low cost, don't discount it. It's one of the best baby walkers that's a sit-to-stand walker for babies at a great price. Musical. This toy has a musical activity center that plays more than 75 songs, sounds, and phrases. Introduce your babies to the alphabet, shapes, colors, numbers, and more with these toys. Interactive. With 7 hands-on activities that include light-up piano keys, a roller, spinner, flip page, and more, your little one will have so much fun whether they're pushing the walker around or playing with the activity center. Easy grasp handle. The easy grasp handle helps your baby to steady themselves as they take their first steps. This helps to avoid accidental hand slips that could cause injury. Bilingual. The Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Smart Stages Learn with Sis Walker is also bilingual. You'll be able to teach your baby the Spanish language. The content even changes with your baby's age and stage with Smart Stages technology. Number 5. Bright Starts Ford F-150 3 Ways to Play Walker. If you're not a fan of the Jeep, but love your Ford, you're in luck. The Bright Starts Ford F-150 3 Ways to Play Walker is one of the best baby walkers that looks just like the F-150. Your little one will be styling and profiling when they're pushing around this truck. 3 play modes. Your baby can sit to stand with these baby walkers, as they can either be used as a traditional walker or a push walker, depending on your child's developmental skills. The steering wheel is removable for even more fun floor time. Rubber feet. Rubber feet on the wheels are one of the great safety features of this activity walker. These feet can also act as a brake. Authentic sounds. The steering wheel of the Bright Starts Ford F-150 3 Ways to Play Walker features authentic truck sounds, lights, and a gear shifter. Adjustable height. You have the option of 3 different height settings to keep your children at the perfect height when using this as a traditional walker. Machine washable. These baby walkers are easy to clean. Simply wipe down the tray and let dry. The seat cushion is removable and machine washable.